I'll be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright? Now, I'm in the closet. Again, I have to come in here to film because it's 8:30 my time and my kids are still awake. So it's loud in the normal area that I film videos. So I'm in here to try to have some quiet while I film this video. Alright? But let's go ahead and bring this one out. This just arrived today. And you all know Big Roth is a proud member of the Bron gang. Alright? So this box here, brand new Bron box, which you can see there on the front, Bron logo. Let's see, here's the king, the Lion King there. On this side, we have the Dunk Man. Alright. And then on the back, we have the signature. Okay. And on the flap there, we have the LeBron King's crown. There, that logo. And that logo is also along the top here. So pretty cool looking box. Alright. And then of course here is the bottom. Here is the bottom of the box. Alright, so these are the LeBron 22. Alright. Colorway white volt glow medium ash. Alright. Let's go ahead and bring these out. I saw somebody online say, I want to say it was the wear testers video, could be wrong, but they said nobody wears LeBrons. Nobody wears LeBrons. Nobody wears those. I seriously beg to differ. I wear LeBrons. I own a lot of LeBrons. Those are LeBrons. Right here. Was that the 17s? LeBron 17s. Put that back. And then, let's see. This is a LeBron 11, I think? A LeBron 11 low. Bomb. Like, oh, and by the way, the worn, look, these are dirty. Probably should clean those. Dirt all over those. But nonetheless, got them, wear them. You know what I'm saying? Let's keep it moving because, you know, nobody wears LeBrons. All right. Here is another pair. Here's a pair of the LeBron 12s. There. Boom. Look at the bottom. Look at the bottom. Worn. These are worn. Look at the, man. It don't even say the 12. That's how much I wore these. This is wearing off. It's wearing off on there. Nobody wears LeBrons. Like, I don't know why this is in here, because nobody wears LeBrons, man. It's all kind of LeBrons here is the point. Where does that come from, that nobody wears LeBrons? Like, people be wearing Brons out here. But I digress. I just wanted to bring that point up. But let's go ahead and get into these. On the top is just regular paper. Is there anything coming here? Okay, there is a card. There is a card with the logo and everything. Alright. And then if you open it up, it's the LeBron signature there. But it shows how the shoe was constructed here. And then on that side, it shows how the shoe was constructed. Hopefully that focuses for you all. Alright, so that's a pretty nice touch. But let's go ahead and get into these. Because of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Left. First, baby. Yes, sir. You know what? Did I skip the shoe and the... Let me put these down for just a second, because I don't remember saying the colorway and everything. Let me go back. If I didn't, I apologize. But LeBron 20... Oh, almost fumbled. LeBron 22s, colorway white Volt Glow medium ash. And I got these in a size 13 and a half, that unicorn size. All right. And these are known as the Crown Jewel colorway. All right. And I think these look pretty sweet, man. This is the first, as you can see on the front, there's that king, that Lion King. But this is the first release of the LeBron 22s. And man, I think these look pretty nice. On the front there, you have the XX with the 2 for the 22. The quilted tongue on the back. Yeah, I like that a lot. I like that a lot. I like the material. It's a softer kind of material. I know it's all white, so y'all probably can't see that. But it's a softer material going around. It's not like that leather here. I'm assuming just by the outsole there that these glow in the dark. Would I be wise in that assumption? Let's see. Let's see. Here we are. This is the outsole. So, yes indeed, they glow in the dark. If you all are seeing that right there, they do indeed glow in the dark. So the neon yellow portion here does indeed glow in the dark. This portion did not when I just turned the lights out. But still pretty cool that they do at all. But that quilted tongue, man, that used to be such a complaint of mine for LeBron shoes, is that the tongues were, the shoe could have been outstanding, but then it had this little flimsy tongue that would like slide around or was uncomfortable. But these last few, they fixed that. They really fixed that. You got a giant swoosh that comes all the way around. And I'm gonna knock them for this. I'm going to knock them. I'm not biased. I'm not 100% biased. I'm gonna say I don't necessarily like that, because it looks like the Giannis. It looks like the same giant swoosh on Giannis's shoe. All right, now I get it, low tops are in, and I actually think these are better than some of LeBron's more recent releases. The 20s, 21s, 22s, all low cut. I like that. You know what I mean? But I also think, man, could we have not given him a more unique kind of low top? Like, this is LeBron James. This is arguably the GOAT. Like, he's the best player in the league right now. We're not going to get too many more models of LeBron's while he's an active player. Like, we couldn't get one that's like, this caters specifically to him. I just don't like that all the Nike shoes are coming with this giant swoosh. And I know this one looks different than Giannis's, but ultimately, giant swoosh across the side of the shoe. Not the biggest a fan of that. All right, but then you have this little itty bitty swoosh over here. You all can see that there. Little itty bitty swoosh. I like that the laces are the different color. and they have that little hit going around the side everywhere, even there on the back. On the inside of the shoe, on the insole, it's the same logo here with the 22s. Alright, let me open that up a little bit for you all. So pretty nice King's crown there on the outsole. Traction seems legit. And then same thing on the reverse side, that King's crown, multicolor. Traction seems legit. Traction seems legit. I might have to return to the court and check these out. It's almost a carbon fiber kind of feel here. It's not carbon fiber, but the feel of it and the way that it looks, the design of it, the black area kind of looks like that. Is that a... Nope, it's that same material. So it's two different pads instead of one long one. But lots of cushion around the back there, around your heel, so it looks like you'll be secured and locked into place. I like the outline of that neon green that goes around. I like that. And then I also like this kind of metallic neon green swoosh that you have there. All right, very dope. But then this is like a prism here with the 22 on the inside of it. Is there anything on the lace tips? No, nothing on the lace tips. Softer kind of material, almost like a suede kind of on the tongue itself. Not here, but the actual tongue there. It's like a suede material. And then the laces go through that hook area of the tongue. All right. So, brand new model, brand new shoe, LeBron 22s. You know what we gotta do? We gotta take these boys on feet. All right, so here we are on feet with the LeBron 22s. All right. If I didn't mention it before, that is a synthetic leather on the upper. All right. So fit wise, I'd say these are good, man. Like, here is my big toe here. I do have about a thumb's length of space. I don't think I could get a 13. I feel like a 14 would be a little bit too long, and I don't really like that much length on my shoes. So I would say for me, 13.5 is perfect. So I would probably recommend going true to size. I do feel like, as far as comparison's sake, if you got the LeBron 21s, I think the toe box on the 22s is just slightly more narrow, like just barely. So that might play a role for you, but as it is, I think these are pretty legit. Go true to size if you're thinking about picking up a pair. All right, now let's get some of that coming at ya, coming at ya. Yes, sir, and let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Man, I think Nike and LeBron are 3 for 3 on the last few shoes, the 21s to the 22s. All right, I think the low top is the way to go. I do think that the 16s, however, were legit, and they were kind of about this size too. They were kind of a low cut shoe, the 16s. Do I have 16s in here? I know I have a pair. I have a few different pairs of 16s, but I don't think they are in here. I do have some 19s in here. All right, so let me grab, before they went on the low cut. This is what we were getting. Look at this big, giant, bulky shoe, which I like. I only have 2 pairs of the 19s, and this is one. I specifically got this one because it was the Space Jam one. But we went from this to this. Like, look at the size difference. Let me see if I can do this. Look at the size difference in these two shoes. This big, giant, bulky shoe to this now. And the 21s, or the 20s and the 21s were also low cut like this as well. So it's a big difference, man. I do see, you know, this is what the kids are wearing. This is what this generation of hoopers are wearing as far as low cut shoes. So you got to give the people what they want. You just got to give them what they want, man. And this is what's in. And personally, for the LeBron model, I think it's better that he's going this direction. I do wish that it was a little bit more uniquely LeBron and not just kind of a Nike basketball shoe that they might have kind of tailored for LeBron. Like, I wish this was more, this is LeBron's shoe, right? At a quick glance, you would think these could be Giannis's. Like, if you just were walking by in passing and you just saw oh, look at those, oh, those LeBrons. Oh, okay. Because, you know, you got the signature on the back and everything. You got to look at the details. Then you'll see, okay, these are LeBrons. But in passing, these could be Giannis's. So that's the only complaint that I have. Beyond that, I think these are a very nice shoe. Once again, go true to size. Go true to size. And I think you will be all right. It's cool that this signature that's on the back, the string of this signature, is what goes all the way around the shoe. There and here. I think that's kind of a good look. But yeah, man, that's the shoe. I think these are pretty good, man. So anyway, that's gonna do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.